So hi everyone, Binance Futures just turned 3 years old, and I got a mail from Binance. It says we want to take this opportunity to thank you for being part of the journey so far. So you have been one of the most active users trading for roughly 32 days on the Binance platform. So uh, once you register an account on Binance will keep track of your records. If you look at the buys and sells, it said by opening buy position of $23,352. Since then, you've conducted 4 trades and cumulative trading volume of almost 200 BUSD. And this is because you can refer your friends to join up on Binance and start trading on the Binance platform. Now you can see, more importantly, you've accumulated this trading volume since September 2021, which is a good feat. So I'm going to show you some key features you want to use on the Binance platform. Some features that have kept us using the platform for quite some time. Now, for a quick one, you need to know that Binance Futures is currently also giving out 300,000 BUSD rewards to users. You can see there are 199 NFTs and more rewards available. Now, this reward is not limited to only old Binance users. New Binance users also get an opportunity to benefit from this. Now, all you need to do in order to participate in this anniversary celebration, you need to sign up on Binance using the link in the description box so you can get discounts whenever you trade on the Binance platform. You also get sign up bonuses. Now, it says Binance turns futures turns 3. Now, in appreciation of your continuous support over the past 3 years, we are launching the exclusive promotions to give away 300,000 BUSD, which is very, very, very massive. Now, in addition, you can get more rewards. So, one eligible new futures users will be selected to receive 1 ETH. All eligible users who hold a Binance Futures second anniversary limited NFT will qualify to double their total token rewards. Now, 199 eligible users who qualify for the reward across promotions A, B, and C will also benefit. Now, you can see here it says all you need to do is register and make at least 500 USDT equivalent trade, including buys and sells. So now, once you're logged into your Binance app, you can get access. You can navigate to any of the sections here that you want to use. Preferably, I do use this menu to go directly to the futures trade menu. So just click on it and make sure your account there's a amount of funds that you can use in trading. Now we can see here we have some amount of funds. Now all you need to do once you've logged in or once you've signed up or your account is set is just for you to create. You can decide to enter any trade as of that you want to enter. Now we have XRP here currently coming down. We could decide to jump on this trade. Now, one cool feature that I currently like a lot, so I'm just going to do a demo. I want to buy long here. So we're using 20x for this trade on XRP. So it's going to show you that our position has been taken already. Now, one cool way for you to avoid liquidation, or one way I'm currently learning from users, or you can learn to, is by taking note of your stop loss and your take profit point. Now you can see here the liquidation point. I'm going to show you liquidation point. Liquidation price is 047. We entered at 048 and the mark price is currently 04894. Now what most professional users do, they wait a little bit for this to get into profit, and once you get into profit they set their stop loss and their take profit at an higher at a place where it will always be in profit. Now what I'm saying is that you click on this top icon here that says position, take profit and stop loss. Since we entered at 0.48, so we want to take profit at 0. So I'm going to put 0.3. Okay, 0. So I'm going to put 0.3. So we want to put the take profit. Since we're going long, so we need the price to appreciate in value. We want to put it at 0.5. You don't want to be too greedy, so let's say 0.55 or 0.6. Then stop loss, we want to put the stop loss at a reasonable point. So you can see if we put it at 0.1, it will be a loss. So you need to know that for most professional traders, they try to put this stop loss at a point which it will also be in profit. So I'm going to change this to 0.4, 0.3. This will be 0.49. So what will happen now is that once we use a stop loss that is above the mark price or the entry price, it will make our assets to always be in profit. So if these particular positions appreciate in value and it later decides to come back up, this will help mitigate our loss. So you can see the open orders we have both take profit and a sell order. So once it appreciates or gets to this point, it will be able to sell off. So these are some features you can take note of. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. You could decide to leave your trade and observe and see how it goes. And I do hope you happy anniversary and everyone, and keep using Binance. Thanks for watching.